In today's video, I'm going to review the third product from E.l.f, which is nothing but the E.l.f Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette. This is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. Don't worry, I'll insert the close-up of the eyeshadow palette and how each shade looks like. So this is my palm. This is how it looks like, small. So the eyeshadow palette is this much. So yeah, that's why it's called as a bite-sized. So when you look at the website and other stuff, the palette might look like it's a little bit bigger, but that's not the case. It's a very small, compact, travel-friendly palette. The shade I have over here is Rose Water. It's a very nice rose gold kind of palette. And the shades, as you can see, you get 4 shades over here. So you have a light rose gold shade and a darker rose gold shade over here. This is more towards a cool tone. And here you have a nice light transition or a blending shade. This is a nice deepening shade. I think this is, as you can see, this is the shade. It's more of a, what to say, dark deep brown with glitters. It has golden glitters, to be frank. So let me swatch it again. This is how the darker shade looks like. It has golden glitters. Shade I'm going to swatch over this. This is a darker rose gold shade. Okay, so this is just one swipe. I'm just gonna intensify that swatch. So this is how that rose gold shade looks like. It looked a little more bold, but it is not in real life. So next is the transition. I am not sure if it is gonna show in my skin. The transition shade is over here. It's more like a highlighting shade. And then I'm gonna take this one. So this is nice shimmery shade, as you can see. So this is the swatches. I'm going to use the transition shade over here. I think I'm going to put it all over my lid and as well as the crease. As you can see, for my skin tone, it looks like a very light color, but yeah, it still works. I think this one you can use it to blend your eyeshadow edges and stuff. So the next shade I'm using is the darker one. I'm just gonna place it in the outer half. I think the darker shade is a little more pigmented, but it has golden reflex. So it looks smoky outside. So the next shade I'm going to use in the middle is the one near the darker shade. I'm going to use that. I'm using the fingers. So the next shade I'm going to take is the lighter one. I'm going to take it to the inner half. The inner shade is very bright, very shimmery kind of shade. It's more towards the silver side, the inner part, and over here in the middle I have used this shade, right? That is more towards the rosy golden shade, and the smokiness is very good by the deep shade. It's a very nice palette, to be frank. I really like it. You can at least do 3 different looks using this palette. So for the sake of using all the 3 colors, I have done this particular look. I think it's a very nice palette. I use all the shades right now just to show you guys how it works. So the blendability is first class, and the pigmentation is okay. Not the best, you can say, but it is workable and it is buildable. So that's a very great thing. The size, very good, travel friendly. The package is also good. I think the plastic is also of a very good quality. It's not very flimsy. Yeah, as it gets old, I think this part will break and the lid can be damaged. This is how my entire look looks like. I have gone with a normal eyeliner and I have done a mascara and some kajal. So this is how it looks like. The cons are nothing but it is having a slight kickback and also also it is having a fallout, a lot of fallout to be frank. So as you can see right now, the lid and stuff is already messed up. Pigmentation wise it's good, but not excellent, and also blendability is very good. It is easily blending. Even the darker shade did not need much of a blending, it blended pretty well, so that's a great thing. This is for rupees 400 and you get 3.5 gram of product total in this. So yeah, it has 6 shades. The one I took is a rose water, is more of a rose gold tones, and then you have Berry Bad, you have Carnival Candy. Carnival Candy is more of a blue and you know reddish smoky kind of look. Cream Sugar, Truffles, Rose Water and Pumpkin Pie. I really like the shade Rose Water, and also Pumpkin Pie intrigues me, but since I already have Autumn Spice from Nykaa, I did not buy Pumpkin Pie because I feel that the palette colors are similar, so that is why I didn't buy Pumpkin Pie. So yeah, Rose Water is a very good shade. So I 100% recommend you guys to buy this palette in case you are traveling too much and you are more into you know neutral looks and stuff. You can buy this. Out of 5, I rate this eyeshadow palette 3.5. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, and also see you on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.